Alright, so last video I was working on canvases and showing the basics. This video I'll be making Flappy Bird, or at least a very simple version of it. So let's first start with the player position. And this is a very simple version of Flappy Bird. You know, I'm not even going to really use proper images. Okay, I'm sorry. So player, and let's do ctx.fill style, so we can make the player kind of look like the bird. ctx fill right 0 player x player y, and let's have player 50 player 50. Boom. Now let's do y equals 5. Okay. It's not updating. Why not? Okay, here it's updating. No. Player Y, player Y, player X, player X. Oh, why isn't this updating? Okay, it's going down. Player X, player Y, player width, player height. I feel like it's really obvious. Minus equals 50. Hold up. Oh, I think it's because I didn't clear the rectangle first. No, it was just going the wrong direction. Okay. TX 0. And this one dot width. This one dot height. Okay. Correct 4 arguments, but only 3 present. And just to keep it simple, I'll add only one object. If let's check if player touches the space bar. So now let's make Oh, that's making it faster. Let's make it like 20. And then let's make it fall faster, jump a little higher. 50. That's way too fast. 2. Yeah. Okay. Now, just to save time, I'll only add 1 pipe. But if you wanted to add more, you can make an array of pipes. But once again, to save time, I'm just gonna only have 100 watt. Or I guess 1 pair of pipes. Two pairs of pipes. Then pipe 1 dot 8 fill rect 1 x dot y make them green. Fill rect is not defined. Oh, that's not good. Reading y. Another read properties of undefined reading y. It's not undefined. Looks fine. Once again, you know, this is a very simple version of the game. So let's also add pipe 2. Okay, now we have both. And I think we could actually do a negative height here. Just kind of trippy, but it does work. 50. 300, 300, 300, and let's make that 200. Let's make this 200. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay. Now, pipe 1 plus x, I guess minus equals 1. 1x minus equals 1. Let's change this to pipe 2. And boom. Look at that. Now let's do a simple check to see if it's out of bounds. And since they're the same x, we only have to check 1 pipe to save time and computer resources. So if pipe 1x is less than 0, no, plus its own width. So if since the x starts at the top right corner, like there, right here, the x would be less than 0, however, you can still see the pipe. We want the pipe to be completely gone. So if it's less than 0, pipe 1x, completely restart it at the canvas width, which is the farthest point left on the canvas that you can actually see. And that should work. Also, if you press S, it's also the same thing, which is weird, but okay. And just because this game's kind of boring, random times. And the way math.random works is it's a number from 0 to 1, but it doesn't include 1. So if we want a whole number, let's say between, I don't know, 200. So let's just say 201 math.floor. And this will give us a random number from 0 to 200, an integer. So pipe 2. Also, just to make, I'm gonna make pipe 1 the one on top, just to make it less confusing. Pipe 1 equals I think this will work. I think that works, right? Okay. I don't really like spam clicking it. Let's make that 50. Let's make it 100. 75. 50. Let's just keep 50. And then now let's just check if either pipes touch the bird. So if there's like a whole formula. Okay. So if pipe 1x is no player x is less than pipe 1.x, I think. You know, to save time, I'll just find my old collide function. So I just leaked my files. So I'll just folder. Yeah, I'll blur this out. Okay, where did I put that file? There it is. Okay. Oh no, it's not. There it is. Okay, I have to censor that. So here is a simple colliding check function I got from mozilla.org. I'll leave this link in the description if you want to see more about it. But yeah, thank you for them. I'll leave this link in the description. So I'll just do a little copy and paste. If player X be X1, player width player height X Y. I hope the negative value doesn't cause any problems. That would be annoying. To X to Y to width to height, and I'll just rest. And you know, unexpected syntax. But where, good sir? 49. What's the issue? Oh. Wait, what is the issue? I still have what? There you go. Little loss function. And then how do you refresh the page? Let's just force a page refresh. So let me search it up on my phone. Okay. Application.reload. Ah, the top one doesn't work. That's annoying. Let's just do this. And then to make it actually possible, 300, 300. Okay, I get it. Get it. You know what? I'll just clear interval. Clear interval A. I'll spell it wrong. video. Simple little Flappy Bird clone. Not the prettiest, but gets the job done. Also go out of bounds and just get an easy win. Oh, there's a little swagger out here. Oh, okay, you could just make it taller. But yeah, this is a simple little Flappy Bird game I just made. You can obviously make way better. Oh, it's impossible now. Yeah, you can play around with this. So, thanks for watching this video. Like if you want, sub if you want.